Hi everybody, Mike Toy here, Regional Sales Manager for National Brokerage in our Boise, Idaho office. This video is going to be a quick piece on single premium whole life. So single premium whole life in its essence is just a regular whole life plan that someone pays one single premium into. So instead of paying monthly payments or annual payments, they put in one lump sum in the beginning and they have coverage for life. Why do we do those, and in what situation would we do those? When you run into a client who has money just sitting in a CD or checking account or savings account or what we call under the mattress or buried in a tin can in the back, yes, these people do exist, by the way, and we see them all the time. It is almost always better to put that money into a single premium whole life, and here's why. Let's say you have a client who has $100,000 in a savings account. It's always been in their savings account, safe there, they can access it when they need to. They've usually got a whole lot of reasons why it's in that savings account. So initially, the hump you've got to get over is convincing them that it's safer in a single premium whole life. When they take that same $100,000 and put it into a single premium whole life, they will get a death benefit of more than $100,000. Let's say in this case, a 60-year-old woman with $100,000 in savings puts it in single premium whole life. She now has $150,000 in death benefit. I'm using easy numbers, but that's pretty close. The biggest selling point to single premium whole life that I would stress to anyone that you see as a potential candidate for one is the 100% return of premium feature. Most single premium whole life policies out there have this feature, maybe not all, but most of them do. And the reason that most of them do is because the candidates that buy these policies are ones that are used to having access to the money if they need it, even if it's just a peace of mind. I know where that tin can is buried. I know where it's at under my mattress. I know how to get to my bank. So they know where it is, not that they're ever going to touch it. Single premium whole life is basically the same thing. They can surrender the policy anytime starting in day one and get 100% of their premiums refunded to them. One other selling point is that a lot of single premium whole life plans have a bonus when you buy the policy. So in that same scenario, when she bought a $100,000 policy, oftentimes there would be a 10% crediting bonus. So she would have the equivalent of $110,000 buying whatever death benefit that would buy. So maybe instead of $150,000, now she has $160,000 or $170,000 in death benefit to leave her heirs. So that's another big selling point to these. So keep it simple with a single premium whole life because they really are simple. Emphasize these points, look for these signs, and you will find yourself selling more single premium whole life. Hope you found this video informational and helpful. If so, please click like and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more sales tips and process tips and underwriting tips and everything. And just search for National Brokerage on YouTube. You can also see us on Instagram and Facebook. Contact us here at National Brokerage at the number and email address listed, and we can help you get started. Thanks. Have a great day.